Hello friends, as they say, it's only words I only have to take your heart away. So words can divide us, words can build bridges, words can hurt us, and words can heal us. And we speak thousands of words every day. There are also statistics which talks about gender, but notwithstanding, we do speak a lot of words. But what if we are allowed to speak only one word in the day? What would be that word you would speak? So let me go and find out from my colleagues, what would be the word that they would speak if it is only one word. That should be interesting. Let's go. Okay, Dr. Priyadarshini.
Yes, sir.
If you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Food.
Food. Dr. Aruna Mara?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Leena ma'am,
Yes,
if
sir.
you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Compassion.
Compassion. Thank you. Okay, we have Hari sir today. Sir, if you have to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Excellence.
Excellent. Okay, sir, have a excellent day today.
Thank you very much.
I have Dr. Teresa Bini here. Ma'am, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
I'm happy. Happy.
So happy is the word, yeah?
Yeah, happy is the word.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a happy day. Sharon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
If you have to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Being blissful. Blissfulness.
Blissful. Okay, have a blessed day. Ma'am, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Ma'am, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Contented.
Okay, ma'am. So wish you a very contented day today.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Manisha ma'am. Yeah, here we have our Dean Academics, Dr. Manisha Singh. Ma'am, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Only one word.
Yeah,
I think that should be observe.
observe.
Observation is the key for success, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, for the students, for example, those who are going for their SIPs after this semester, those who will go, if you do a successful observation, you would be able to see a lot of things, learn a lot of things, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, there are two keys to learning, isn't it? You should have a listening skill, so you should listen to all the things that is going around. The second one is observation. The more you observe, more you learn. So I think that one word which I would keep on doing or seeing or telling others to do it will be observe.
Okay. So that word also resonates with me because observation is key to understand the irony of life, and as I express it in my poems.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Right, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ravindra Babu sir, if you have to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic. Okay. Thank you, sir. This is very apt because that word usually, is identified with you.
Correct.
Always enthusiastic.
Always
Thank
enthusiastic. Thank you.
You, sir. Professor Sunil Pillai, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Lovely.
Lovely. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Okay, Prajyoti ma'am, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful. It's a long word, the sentence, but beautiful. Yeah. And here we have Purnima ma'am.
Oh, hi.
Ma'am, hi. So one word, if you are allowed to speak today, what will be that word?
Nice and cold. Cold.
Cool. Okay. Thank you. Anand Srinivasan sir, if you can speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Gratitude.
Thank you. Professor Hari Shankar, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Very difficult question.
Yeah, but one word only.
Enjoyable.
Enjoyable. Yeah, okay, fine. So have an enjoyable day.
Yeah, thank you.
Padmini ma'am, good morning.
Very good morning to you, sir.
Ma'am, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Happy, sir.
Okay, so any specific reason why you highlighted this word?
So basically, what I feel everybody thrives for a particular main item. It can be money, it can be status, it can be achievement in career.
Yeah.
But all this gives us eventually happiness.
Okay.
So if I want to be happy irrespective of whether I get those or not, I have achieved my goal.
Okay.
And happiness gives you a good family, the bonding, we are very happy with the friends, environment. And so if I am happy, I make everybody happy around me.
Okay. Great.
So this is the kind of environment I want to create, to be very happy, and that also gives me a lot of positivity, youth and success. That's what I feel.
Okay. Thank you so much and wish you a very happy day.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Same to you, sir.
If you have to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
I would say pleasant.
Pleasant. Okay. Thank you. Swagat Das here. If there is only one word you are allowed to speak today, what will be that word?
Delighted.
Delighted. Okay. Thank you so much. Venkataraman sir, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Fitness.
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 Okay sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stay fit.
Right.
So, Professor Srinivasan, if you can speak only one word, you are allowed to speak only one word.
Okay.
What will be that word?
Great.
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 Okay, so have a great day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Being an educational institutions, we have the whiteboard and we have a lot of words there. And with me here is Professor Shweta Puneet. And good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am, if you are allowed to speak only one word today,
Yes, sir.
okay, so what would be that word?
One word.
Yes.
Yeah? Divine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Bharati ma'am, how are you today?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, good. So I'm just trying to find out, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word of your choice?
Solitude.
Solitude. Any particular reason for that, ma'am?
I think we're constantly bombarded with, a lot of noise
Yes, ma'am.
from media, from people around us.
Yes.
So there is hardly alone time, and
Yeah.
alone time gives you a lot of time to reflect,
Yes.
see where you are going, what you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think that little time for yourself
Yeah.
where you can just reflect and
Yeah.
think
Okay.
is a very, very important time.
Okay.
And that helps me a lot, and therefore I think that is the word that I have for today.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
you
you.
for your thoughts.
Thank you.
We have two professors here enjoying a cup of coffee on this nice wet day in Namma, Bengaluru. So we have Professor Raghavendra Rao. So if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, so enjoy your coffee and stay healthy.
Thank you.
And we have Dr. Girish here. So what would be your word if you are allowed to speak only one word today?
Blessings.
Blessings. Sure. Enjoy your coffee and have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Now I will go to my esteemed colleague Dr. Keshav Rao. Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, so what will be that word?
Today the weather is like this, so the first word that comes to my mind is rain.
Okay, sir, that's really nice, sir. And I can relate it to what you are saying. This is what is happening for the last few days. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
It's my pleasure.
Gita ma'am, if only one word you have to speak today, what will be that word?
It would be pause.
Okay, so why you will choose that word?
We are all running in the direction, in one particular direction where we do not know why we are running, where we are running, and we don't even pause to look back and reflect on what is that we have so far achieved or accomplished, or even for that matter, where is our life taking us? Nothing we do know. We have not paid any attention to it. I think it's time for us to take pause.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. We just had our lunch today And post lunch, we will ask Professor Chandrasekhar about his word for the day. Sir, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Food.
Food.
Yes.
Any specific reason? Is it
The
because-
specific reason is that you only just now said that we are in the post-lunch session, and then what comes to my mind immediately is the food as such. Okay, and I'm along with the foodie club over here.
And
members.
Also,
Okay.
also I believe that is the great way. The stomach is the way to a man's heart.
Absolutely right.
So it's a very apt word you have chosen.
Correct.
Thank you so much.
And Keshav also.
Dr. Shivoli,
Yes, please tell
if
me.
you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word?
Happy.
So, okay, wish you it's a very good word. So, wish you a very happy day.
Thank you.
So, let's go to our campus head, Professor G.V. Muralidhara, and ask him about his word for the day. Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, if you are allowed to speak only one word today, what will be that word, sir?
Chill.
Chill. Okay, sir, that's very interesting. And so, wish you a very chill day, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, friends, what we have seen is that notwithstanding how many words we speak each day, in the heart of our hearts, we have words of wisdom and words which inspire us, and that makes life so beautiful. So, my word for the day today is celebrate. So, thank you for watching and keep celebrating life. Thank you.